This is a basic food mixer. This is a KitchenAid. So I'm going to show you how to put it together. So here we have our speed button. On the other side, this brings the beating hand down, okay, and then locks it into place. Okay, then we take our bowl, and our bowl has a screw on the bottom, and that locks into place. So you must make sure you do that when you're using it. Then up here we have a little knobble there, and if you look inside you can see that needs to go in there. So click that in and it pushes up, and you push it across. Okay, so at this stage I'm going to turn this round so you can see. Click that and that goes down. So we're all safe now. Then at this point and this point only, you put your plug in. Before you turn it on, double check that your speed is on 0. Then turn it on at the wall. Make sure your ingredients are in there, and then turn it on. And that's our whisk attachment. I'm going to turn that off now. That's our whisk attachment. So then when we want to take it off, take it up, push it and across, and that will pop off. Then we have our other attachment. So this one, we'll put that on like that, just show you that. Okay, again we make sure it's secure. Okay, then we take the other side down. This one is for dough. Turn that on, and you're only going to use this on a slow run, so only about 2 or 3, because what we're going to do is we're going to stretch dough with that. Then next, and our last attachment, is our beater. And see there's like a K there. They call it a K beater. In some of the bigger machines, there's a predominant K there. So again, pop that down, make sure it's on 0 again, turn it on, and then that's to beat things. So like sponges, cream sponge, Victoria sponge, choux pastry, and the like. And that's our basic functions of our KitchenAid.